Welcome back to Living 808. Imagine what it would be like if you tested positive for COVID. Who would you turn to for help?
We talked with one local man who got the support he needed from the State Department of Health and Partners in Development.
To learn more about the Department of Health Isolation and Quarantine Program, we have a chance to talk with someone who receives services, Paul Ku'oha, as well as Dr. Sean Kanai'aupuni, who's the president and CEO of Partners in Development Foundation. So thank you both for joining us here on Living 808.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. Doctor, I would like to start off with you by telling me more about this program and the goal of it.
The goal of the program, it's with the Department of Health and the City and County of Honolulu that partnered up to support families who really are in need and vulnerable during this pandemic because they don't have a place necessarily to isolate or quarantine should they be either positive or exposed to COVID and not sure whether they're positive. So in order to have a place to either convalesce safely or keep their families at home safe, we've been able to provide them a hotel room where they can stay and convalesce.
And what was the role of the Partners in Development Foundation in this program and executing that?
Well, it was definitely a stretch for Partners in Development Foundation. We're not in the business of running a hotel, but when we were approached by the Department of Health and the city, it was out of their great concern for the high COVID rates that we were seeing and we still are seeing among Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islanders. And so we and our mentee program, We Are Oceania, were approached and asked to help and how can we make a difference and support families during this time. And so we were able to be contracted by the Department of Health. It's with the state. We run a small hotel. It's called Harbor Arms, which we renamed it to Open Arms Harbor to show that aloha and the warmth that we have for the people who have been so greatly impacted by COVID.
People like Paul, I'm sorry to hear of your experiences, but you got connected with the program. Were you experiencing trouble quarantining at home?
I just thank God how the workers were. They put their heart and soul, and they really care for us, whoever was infected over there. So I can't thank them enough because they risked their lives knowing that they got to go home to their families. I would recommend anybody to go there. They put out their heart to us, and I can't thank them enough.
I'd like to find out, obviously, gratitude, and it looks like you're helping a lot to be grateful for. What are both of your takeaways? Both of your takeaways that you'd like to share with our viewers?
It's people like Paul and seeing the gratitude that they showed and knowing that we can make that difference for people. I think all of our staff have just been really touched because when he was one of the first people to actually leave a note and say mahalo, and one person actually left us a tip, and we were like, what? We got tipped for this work, and just really, reinforcing the spirit and the aloha that we have in our state and in our city of Oahu, and how we care for all people. We care for all people, and so that was a takeaway for me, is just being able to help, to serve, and then to see the gratitude and really feel that joy.
Well, so glad to hear more about the program. Glad you are feeling better, Paul. And thank you so much for coming on and talking to us here on Living 808.
Thank you for having us.
You know, you hear the statistics, the number of cases daily reported, but you don't necessarily think about what happens after that, especially if it's a case like Paul. So it's wonderful to know about these unsung heroes that are there putting their own lives and safety at risk, and the gratitude of someone like Paul, Mikey.
Yeah, exactly. Shout out. And awesome that Paul is doing well, too. I mean, he's looking great. And I want to say, those rooms, not a bad place to quarantine.
That's very true. Nice. And if you need help, we are going to post the information on KHON2.com. Contact information if you find yourself in that unfortunate position where you also need help.